we doing? Hungry one. Nah. I'm in the middle. Normally, if I was in England, I'd support Hungary. Normally, if I'm here, I support England. But I think the better team won last night, didn't it? Anyway, I'm not going to go on about it. See, I've got my whisk. I'm not going to do my ingredients. I'm not going to make a full video on this yet. I'm doing my own carrot cakes. I love carrot cake. So what I'm doing, I'm just going to show you, and I'm actually doing it from the living room. It's called an armchair carrot cake. Nobody do that if you're getting pissed, wouldn't you? Look at my whisk. See all my bits and bobs. I'll do a video on it next time, but this is just a quick one, really. Dog's just coming from outside. This is just a quick one on a carrot cake I'm making, my own. Gonna have like a citrus mix on top as well with cream cheese. But I'll let you see it when it's all done, when I've finished it. Alright, enjoy your Sunday. Well done Hungary, well done England. See you all soon, no hard feelings. Carrot cake on its way.